Picture this, you're watching a YouTube video. Someone mentions a new tool, and immediately you wonder, does it have an affiliate program? Before, you'd have to dig through Google. You'd waste time scrolling pages, sometimes never finding an answer. By the time you got clarity, bigger players had already grabbed the partnership. That delay cost one of my clients thousands in lost commissions. They were frustrated. Every day, they saw opportunities slip through their fingers simply because they couldn't act fast enough. And in today's market, speed is money. The faster you act, the more partnerships you lock in, the more cash flows into your business. Without a system, they were stuck in constant reaction mode, missing out while competitors moved ahead. That's when I stepped in. I showed them the Lightning Link system. Now, whenever they discover a product, all they do is type the name into a little box on their phone and press send. Instantly, my bot connects to the cloud. It scans the web, it finds the product site, it digs up the affiliate page, it extracts payout details and the commission model, then it sends it straight to their team. If no program exists, they get a message back right away. No time wasted, no second guessing, just clear answers in seconds. The transformation was insane. Suddenly, they could strike partnerships on the spot. No delays, no research rabbit holes. Every time they discovered a new product, they either had an affiliate plan ready to run or the peace of mind that nothing was available. This simple shift led to a surge of new affiliate deals. It generated a major boost in revenue. In fact, a big portion of their new profit streams now comes directly from these lightning fast affiliate opportunities. Here's the thing. Without this system, they'd still be wasting hours hunting for links. They'd still be missing deals. They'd still be watching competitors take the lead. With it, they're future proof, they're adaptable, they're constantly stacking new revenue channels. And the truth is, if you don't have this kind of speed in your business, you'll always feel like you're playing catch up. So let me ask you, what would it mean if you never missed another affiliate opportunity again? If every time you discovered a product, you knew within seconds whether it could put money in your pocket. That's the power of automation. That's the difference between chasing income and building it on autopilot.